Hello, my name is Vito Santoro and I'm here to demonstrate the IM Flight Deck toolbar that we're launching today. It installs at the top of your browser, so it's readily available. You don't have to launch as an application. It's there every time you open your browser. It works on Mac and PC, and it works on Internet Explorer, Chrome, as well as Firefox. Essentially, one of the challenges about internet marketing that I found was trying to keep track of all the sites you need to access in order to do your job effectively. And I found that I was wasting a lot of time trying to always find different things that I needed to do my job. So I created a toolbar more as a way of keeping track of everything because bookmarking my sites just didn't work. I also decided that I would kind of create it the way internet marketers work and affiliate marketers work. So it starts off with the research aspects from niche and keyword, and it progresses up through the process of backlinking and the other areas. And we also included mobile and local, and I'll demonstrate that for you now. But the really cool part about the toolbar is, let's take a niche like weight loss, and I want to take you through how easy it is to do your initial research, because it could be a little overwhelming. Essentially, let's say we want to first see if there's anything on Amazon. Well, we could check Amazon US, and as you can see, it immediately searches the Amazon database for the top selling products in weight loss. And if you're not in the US, we also support Canada as well as the UK. And you can see that I'm not doing much. I just put in a keyword phrase, and now I'm just searching through letting the tool do the search of all these databases. And once you look through Amazon, you might want to cross-reference with eBay Pulse, and essentially this would be the top-selling products for weight loss on eBay. So now you can kind of see if there's any similarities and actually choose a product if you sell hard goods. But then again, you might want to sell ClickBank products. So it also will search the ClickBank product for the keyword, I should say the site, for the keyword phrase of your choice. In this case, weight loss. And as you can see, all the weight loss products are returned. So once you find your niche product, the next thing you want to do is find content. So we actually access the Flickr database, so you can see all the images associated with weight loss. Just check the licensing. And we also go to the stock exchange, because there's free images as well as links to paid sites that they support. But you can see here, I haven't done anything other than select the site I want to choose for weight loss. Once we get our images, now we want to get some content. And that could be a real drag when you're starting to say, okay, what do I do? What do I write about? Well, we can access Wikipedia instantly and look at what they're doing over there. It's a pretty considered a top authority site. But, a lot of people say go to the library now to get original content and the like. And I figure, why do that when you can just access the public library right from the IM Flight Deck toolbar? The nice thing about the library is you have constant content being added from real reputable sites, from education and even things like the Mayo Clinic and the like for weight loss. So you can immediately start pulling out the facts and getting your content together. And in addition to the library, we also have the Encyclopedia Britannica, and again, it's all based on the specific keywords that you're typing in. So once you have all your content accessed, you can also look for backlinks. Now, we tied this through the Bing network because the authoring package was designed that way. We have other links for Google within the toolbar. But just to show you, for weight loss, these are all the wiki sites, or wiki spaces, I should say, that you can go get backlinks from. And we also have it programmed to go after education links, as well as Web 2.0 properties such as Skidoo. Now, getting backlinks from sites that actually have related content to your keywords is becoming even more important. And now you can see there's over 8,000 sites that have weight loss topics that you can go in and get backlinks from. So it really is a all-purpose tool. And what have I done? All I've done is select the keyword and where to go, and you've got all this information. The other thing I want to show you, okay, we'll go back first for a second to just a search. I'm going to type in backlinking. Okay, let's say you decide you want to do some outsourcing. Well, we're also tied into Fiverr. So if you type in the type of service you want, what it'll do is it'll actually access Fiverr and come back with all the resources that provide backlinking. All we recommend is that you check out the gig and make sure that there's testimonials associated with the vendor. But as far as quick research, again, all you're doing is typing in a keyword and selecting where you want to search. We also do Forer as well. Now, a lot of times you want to do a little more thorough research than that. That's good for preliminary. But if you look at the tools, under niche research here, we've got access to Google Insights, which you can see immediately. All you need to do is start searching. And then we have Google Trends, which you can do if you want to type in your keyword and search at that point. But essentially, instead of trying to locate it, we have Google and all the other keyword research tools. We have affiliate networks that you can have access to, and these are all the ones that are the most common. We also have the popular CPA networks as well as credit card processing. You can go to PayPal, Google Checkout, or 2Checkout. You may have accounts there, or you may just need to log in. Okay, from a content perspective, we showed you some of our research already, but here's all the individual sites. Like if you want to go to answers.com to do a little more homework, boom, you're right there. Okay, real simple to do. We also have content contribution sites. Okay, if you want to go to Yahoo Answers, for example, and make a contribution, you can log right in and have access to it. We also have access to PLR and public domain content as well. So essentially, that's all the niche research and the content research, and from there you can create your content. As we move on now, if you're into either your web tools area, you have your domain hosting and pay-per-click, all the tools associated with pay-per-click, like KW Map is a pretty interesting one, because if you type in a tool, or I should say a keyword phrase, it'll show you all the associated niches. Excuse me. Okay, we also get into graphics here. There's duplicate content checkers, your autoresponders, file conversions, everything you need. In fact, even if you need to build a press release, I know that could be a pain, there's a site here that helps you do it instantly. And how long is it taking me to access these sites? Under linking, you have all the Web 2.0, I should say a good part of them, video directories, article, PDF, PPC submission, podcasting. Linking diversity is very important. And essentially, all you have to do is go to one of these sites, follow the directions, and now you upload and you have a diverse link back to your website. We also get involved with all the RSS feeds, your backlinking tools, and search engines, and all that kind of stuff, all within the guise of linking. Under social media, you can access all your accounts on Facebook and YouTube, Twitter, and what have you. We even have the widgets and plugins that are associated with it, in case you didn't know they existed. Going over to mobile, we have mobile websites that you can have access to. They're free themes. Excuse me. Website examples and tips and the plugins that you should use. We go over to outsourcing. You have instant links to all the other sites available in addition to Fiverr, like Scriptlance. And we have a few SEO resources that we've used that we just recommend. We're not associated with them. Now, if you click on this little double arrow here, you have a second line. So if you're in the local search, you want to look at the Google categories, for example, all you do have to do is come to this site instead of trying to log into Google and the other things that are usually time consuming. You can immediately just click here on most of the countries here, and it'll list all the categories that you should be associating your clients with. And also it has all the like White Spark and Bright Local and the other services that are there to support local marketing. We support Kindle, which is your login. There's a video there. There's the Kindle previewer. And even just if you're getting into Kindle, this will really be helpful for you to help your marketing efforts there, product creation. We have all the free software programs for both PC and Mac here. A lot of times you say, oh God, I need an HTML editor because I didn't buy Dreamweaver or whatever. Well, you have them here. There's OpenOffice and a few others that we found that are pretty good. as well as for video and audio. We also put in, and we thought this was very important, a training module. If you ever get stuck where you're not quite sure what to do, we have these videos here. Like if you say you wanted a niche research overview, just as an example. Basically, the videos come up.
Hi, in this video, I'm going to be researching a niche using the Google keyword.
As you can see, we have all the, whether it's WordPress, social media, Web 2.0. Like for example, if you weren't sure how to do a Skidoo lens, it'll teach you how to do that. So it associates with all the backlinking and other kinds of things that we're offering within the toolbar. This is training on what you need to be doing. That being said, we also have a link in case your Skype isn't loaded. You can load it right from here. If you have a large file that you need to send, if you click on this button right here, this is you send it. You can send up to, I think it is a couple of gig for free, and from there it's a low cost file. And if you're working with websites or with clients, it really does make it easy. We also have Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest buttons, so you can use those to in your marketing. We even included a radio here. So overall, what we did was we took all the links out there that people use on a regular basis to run their business. We organized them logically by the way affiliate marketing works, and then we put in search engine, or I should say search capability, so you can do instant research for niche and content and backlinks and the like. So overall, we hope you'll join us. If you click the buy button, we'll see you on the other side, and thank you for watching.